guys, good morning and welcome back to Invencio Trading. And right now I saw the market is in a very buy positions. So I'm buying Bank Nifty from here at this levels, 250 quantity. So I'm buying from market.
Order filled.
As you could see, I'm in currently this one. Most of you guys are having yes. So this is currently my profits running. And I bought 250 quantity. My average price is 22,724. all right, so I'm on the long side, and so most of the people, I am also thinking to go for call option, and I'll keep you posted on the same. So now I'll just pause the video. All right guys, so I booked my profit at you could see here 761. I closed my position and I got a profit of 9,155. Okay, so there was a support over the not support, actually there was a good resistance over there, and I didn't want it to risk any of my this one capital. So if you could see here, I'll zoom it for you guys. So my profit is 9155 in my futures account. So for those of you who can't see, please look into it. All right, so I'll show you again my executions were like this. Again, if you guys want to zoom it here also, I'll zoom it for you guys. All right, so my first position was Bank Nifty buy from 22,724 at 250 quantity, and I sold it at 22,761. And now as I see a resistance over there, and my appetite was around 10,000 profits itself, so I was cool with it. And I had a very tight SL, so hopefully that SL didn't hit. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the entry and exit levels here. All right guys, so I think I'm gonna close my positions for now, and so there we go. The profits are 9,155. All right guys, so I am ending my trading session here. I got an emergency call from one of my friend, and it's an official work, so I'll stop my trading here, and I'm closing today's day with 9155 profits. And I feel it's quite healthy profit what I'm having right now. So if you guys could see again, so for I guess so. All right then guys, see you in the next video.